Bidet BB1000. A throne fit for royalty, warm water, heated seat and high-tech comfort. Transform your bathroom experience with the Bidet BB1000 electric bidet toilet seat, a marvel of comfort, hygiene, and innovation. Say goodbye to mundane routines and hello to a luxurious retreat every time you sit. Featuring warm water washes, a heated seat, and an air dryer, this bidet makes cleanliness effortless and eco-friendly. With adjustable water pressure, nozzle position, and temperature, the BB1000 offers a personalized touch tailored to your preferences. Designed for elongated toilets, it includes a sleek, slow-closing lid for a touch of elegance and tranquility in your bathroom sanctuary. What sets the BB1000 apart is its superior functionality and thoughtful features. The 3-in-1 self-cleaning nozzle ensures unmatched hygiene, while the Vortex wash provides deep cleaning for maximum effectiveness. Whether you need a gentle feminine wash, a powerful posterior spray, or a soothing massage for sensitive care, this bidet delivers with precision. Its built-in deodorizer keeps your space fresh, and the warm air dryer eliminates the need for toilet paper, making it a sustainable choice that's better for the planet and your wallet. Installation is a breeze with the BB1000's DIY-friendly setup, requiring no plumber or special tools. All components, including a T-adapter valve and water hose, come included, so you can have it ready in minutes. Once installed, enjoy its intelligent seat sensor for safety and energy-saving mode for efficiency. Perfect for seniors, families, and anyone seeking a premium hygiene solution, this bidet seat caters to diverse needs, from postpartum care to post-surgery recovery, ensuring comfort for all users. Crafted with durability and quality in mind, the BB1000 is built to last. Its high-grade plastic construction resists wear, and the heated water system ensures consistent performance. Unlike competitors, this bidet prioritizes comfort with customizable settings accessible via a wireless remote. Designed for everyday use, it's a reliable upgrade that offers value far beyond its price. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, the BB1000 is more than just a bathroom accessory, it's an investment in daily luxury. The BB1000 makes every trip to the bathroom an indulgent experience. Its combination of luxury, practicality, and eco-friendliness saves time, money, and resources while providing unparalleled comfort. Why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your hygiene routine to extraordinary? Choose the Bidet BB1000 for a cleaner, more comfortable lifestyle. It's not just a bidet, it's your new favorite bathroom essential.